you can regain the spring in your step and wake up feeling more limber. Let me explain. The gelatin trick has been a total game changer for people who struggle with stiff joints and limited mobility. By incorporating this simple daily ritual into your routine, you can start to notice a significant difference in how your body moves and feels. For instance, imagine being able to walk downstairs without feeling that familiar creak in your knees, or being able to play with your kids without having to worry about your joints giving out. Researchers say that the gelatin trick works by nourishing the connective tissue in our bodies, which is essential for healthy joints and mobility. My friend, who's an avid hiker, swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's allowed her to tackle more challenging trails without feeling held back by her joints. As you start to make the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you may find that you're able to move more freely and comfortably, without the nagging discomfort that's been holding you back. To learn more about how to get started with the gelatin trick, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some helpful tips and tricks to enhance your experience with the gelatin trick.